Ever wonder how to value your inventory when you open packs and pull high value cards for taxes? It's a very important question. Imagine spending $20 on an Evolving Skies booster pack and hitting the Moonbryon. How much of that $20 can you deduct when you sell it? I'm Kyle Johnson with Lavender Town Accounting. Let's break it down. A great question I got recently. If you buy a loose pack for $5 and pull a Latias SIR worth $250 and you sell it for that much, how does that impact your profits? Is it as simple as comparing the price per pack to the card value? Here's how it works. When you buy sealed product, whether it's booster packs, booster boxes, tins, or ETBs, the cost basis is what you paid for them. Let's say you paid $5 for a pack with 10 cards in it. The total cost is divided evenly across all the cards, making each card's cost 50 cents, $5 divided by 10. If you sell the Latias SIR for $250, your cost remains 50 cents for that card. Your taxable profits is the selling price minus the cost. So in this case, it would be $250 less 50 cents, which equals a taxable profit of $249.50. I've got a bonus tip for you though. What happens to the other 9 cards in the pack that aren't worth that much? Since the market value might be lower than your cost of 50 cents per card, you can use a tax rule called lower of cost or market. This lets you write down the value of those bulk cards to their lower market price, helping you avoid overvaluing your inventory. In short, keeping track of your inventory cost ensures accurate reporting and helps you stay compliant. Pulling that $250 card is awesome, but staying on top of the tax rules will help you keep your business healthy in the long run. Hopefully that clears things up. Got more questions about Pokemon card selling taxes or inventory valuation? Drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, with this video, I've added a link to a Google Sheet to help you calculate your inventory breakouts. You'll be able to find that in the show notes. We're here to help you count them all and keep it all, legally of course. See you next time.